Okay, good day guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Now, this is a really good feeling. What I'm sure a number of you guys have probably seen it already, but I still just wanted to speak quickly on it. Michail Antonio, right? Michail Antonio is the Premier League player of the month, guys. A reggae boy is the Premier League player of the month, right? Big deal, man. That's a huge deal, right? So he was voted the Premier League player of the month for this month, right? And that is such a big deal, man. Such for this month of action that would have just passed in the Premier League, right? He would have played 3 games. And had 7 goal contributions in 3 games, 4 goals and 3 assists, right? He would be leading the goal scoring charts with those stats and second in the assist charts, right? So it's a very good feeling, man, to see a reggae boy being given the Premier League Player of the Month. Michail Antonio has come out banging form this season, right? To be honest with you, I don't question whether Michail can keep it up, I don't. It's difficult to keep up exact form like this, right? But I don't question whether Michail Antonio can have good form, can continue to be in good form. That's not what I question, right? Obviously we all know what the question marks surrounding Michail Antonio is, but once he stays fit, man, I think the player will have a very good season this season, man. I honestly believe that, right? And I think if he stays fit this season, he could have a big season, man. A big season, even bigger than previous season that he has had, right? So again, guys, Michail Antonio is the Premier League Player of the Month. Kinda not surprising when you have 7 goal contributions in 3 games for the month. It was always going to be difficult for you to be upstaged, right? So guys, just a really good feeling to see the biggest league in the world, man. And a reggae boy was Player of the Month. Hopefully, Michail Antonio can continue on this impressive form. Even if he doesn't continue exactly on this impressive form, I think once he stays fit, he is going to, even if it's not 7 goal contributions every 3 games, I still believe the player is going to be in good nick this season. So let's see just how well Michail does throughout this season. Alright, so guys, that's my 2 cents. Just a quick one there, quick video there for you guys. We had to do it, man. Reggae boy winning Premier League Player of the Month, man, a big deal. So guys, take care, stay safe, and until next time.